You already know. You see them black hoodies on? You better be strapped up. You better be on point, nigga. I said you see me in your hood, you better strap up. Ride around with this pound, nigga, you better back up. Acting a fool, man, you never was strapped up. I ran and told, you never heard me back up. I always stood down, I never told the ground, I never told the law, fuck it, I'm just busting my pound. I gotta show my niggas how I do it, cause when I get it, I always gotta stick to it. Cause I tell these niggas once, and I might tell them twice. But if I tell you the third time, nigga, you gon' get ice with this pound on my head, fucking down on my head. I'ma down your bitch ass with my whole dirty cut, and you bitches don't want it, and I smack you in your face. When you niggas try and tell me I hit you in your place, and I put you in your place real fast, no last. Fucking smack it on the ass, and I smack it and I laugh. That's what I do. I think it's a joke. Being funny, nah, man, I never was a slope. Yeah, cause I just tell you how it is and tell you how I live. Always on my ground, always free, and I ain't got no kids. But if I do got something, they might as well tell me, cause I'm getting money and they kinda found me. But I never be on that, cause I stay in my ground and I'm gonna get my money right back. And when I make it, I'ma do it how I do it. When I spend it, yeah, I spend it, I'ma get it right to it. And I'm never backing down from nobody, cause I'm always on my ground, and I gotta keep it shine. I said when you see them black hoodies back up, I said when you see them hoodies on back up, you already know I'm about to act up. You already know I'm about to act up. Yeah, I'm back and I'm home and I'm fresh and what? They be like, damn, he just did a bid. I never did a bid. I never told to them kids. I never told them kids that I sold and I hugged on the strip. And I never told them that I used to bust my pound. But out on the streets, nigga, already know I'm down. Cause I'm always right. Yeah, I'm past go. Yeah, I hit the stop sign, never last, yo. I never sit down, I never crash, yo. Cause I'm always in your ass like a pass go. Fucking with the goonies and you fucking with the wrong one. Fucking with my homies and you fucking with the wrong one. Burner on my hip, you already know it's going a long way. I smack you and tap you, fuck it back you and tag you. Cause you ain't with it, I'm with it. I smack you and get fitted. And you niggas don't want it, money like you bitches. I love it, I like them, I like to take them down. Send them on their way, and I just bust my pound. Cause I had to do it. I had to do it to him. I don't know why I did it again. I said, it's my team, we gon' ride for it, die for it. Smack you in your face cause you lied for it. You get on the stand and start snitching, I'ma have to hit the witness and you and your bitches. Everybody go, everybody gotta go. Cause telling on my homie, no, that's a no-no. You should've never did it, man, that's on you. When I come to your mom crib, it's Sudo. Never told, never hold, never sold. And I got it on the block, and I got it in old. And I got them O's in, and I got them bricks in. Break them down, chop them down in his hand, yeah. They ain't never know, I'm always on it. Getting money, that's what I always do it. Yeah, they call me Speed, cause I get paid. Thinking this is down, yeah, I'm getting laid. I be on the block selling some dimes, no, I only just sold dimes, never sold nicks. And I got waiting too, come holler at me if you need it too.